Hi guys, welcome back to tutorial race, and in this video tutorial you are learning TypeScript, and in this series I will show you how to set up environment to run a TypeScript code. To run your TypeScript code you need the following software and applications. First of all, you'll have to install Node.js and then install any IDE, but the best suitable is Visual Studio Code. And then third, install TypeScript. Now installing Node.js. Installing Node.js is easy. Go to its official website nodejs.org then en and download LTS version. That LTS means a long time support version. That means a stable version of Node.js and install at your local machine. So just you need to write here in Google. Let's go to here and write here Node.js. Then okay, so this is Node.js official website. And you can see here is the LTS version and this one is the current version. So you recommended to download this LTS version. So you click here, then automatically it will start downloading. In my case, it's already downloaded. So once this file is downloaded in your computer, just double click on this and the installation will start. Once the installation is complete, then you can open cmd that prompt and then you can check if the node is working or not. So basically go to your search and then node command prompt. Now right here node, then if you type anything like 3 plus 4, I'm typing here, the result will be 7. That means the node is working perfectly. Also node node b, I have to go back actually, control C, then 2 times you press, then node, if you write here node hyphen b, then it will display you the version of the node. Okay, so our node is installed now. Then the next task will be to download and install Visual Studio Code. So this is also free and open source. So just go to Google and type here download Visual Code. Download Visual Studio Code. So click here and this is the official website of Visual Studio Code. Just click here and similarly it will start downloading, and after downloading double click on this and the installation will start. So once the installation is complete, then again you go here and write simply code or visual code, and this Visual Studio Code you can see here. Now to open terminal, press Ctrl and backtick. So the backtick is just left side of key 1. You can see the digit 1, 2, 3 at the top, and the first key just above tab. You press Ctrl and then backtick, and then you can see the terminal open. In here in the terminal, we just type this code npm install -g and then TypeScript. So this hyphen G means we are installing this globally. That means the TypeScript can be accessed and executed from any folder. So for this we use this hyphen G. So once the installation is complete, and then you can start using the Visual Studio Code. So in the next video we will write a very simple program, hello world. So stay connected and see you in the next video. Thanks for watching. Bye bye.